All
you
right,
are
I'm
Amazon.
recording now.
Okay.
All right, this is Andre and Betty Smith, the homeowners.
Hey guys.
that lost everything in this flood. So people are always saying, is there anything I can do? Yes, there is something you can do. You can send them some money.
Lots, lots.
But this is part of the destruction. Beautiful home, 4 bedrooms, and everything in the house is 1 floor. Everything in the house got destroyed by water. So this is some of the stuff that we're trying to salvage. Some of the stuff is salvageable and some is not.
Hello? Yeah.
This is one of the cars of 5 that they lost. And this is all the stuff from inside the house, just from their house. And as I pan down the street, you can see that the entire neighborhood was flooded. There's about 5.5 feet of water in this neighborhood, which is about what we had with Hurricane Katrina. But this is a devastating situation for these people here in Baton Rouge. And these are the cars from the truck. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vehicles that they lost. So that gives you a bird's eye view of the neighborhood and the Smith's home. It is what it is, as they say, but everything is lost. We'll take a quick pass inside the house so I can show you that what's in the street actually came from inside this house. So it's gutted from floor to ceiling throughout the house. The hardest part was getting up the hardwood floor here in the family room and the hallway. These are the back bedrooms. Like I said, the water came up to 5.5 feet. So that's a view of what happened.